inequality, discrimination, oppression.
Amidst the disorder and brutal times of the British Raj, when India was prisoner to political and economic power, when Indians were looked down upon with disdain and contempt, emerged a leader.
A leader who fought against discrimination, injustice, inequality. Who saw the future of India to be economically, politically, and socially stable. A social reformer, an activist, an economist, a visionary.
Father of the Indian Constitution, Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar, or lovingly known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar.
Dr. Ambedkar became the first Indian to earn a PhD in economics from abroad. He was also the first to hold a double PhD in economics in South Asia.
After independence, Ambedkar went on to become the first Law and Justice Minister of India. Baba Saheb advocated strongly for human rights, a fighter against the caste system. He launched many active campaigns during his lifetime against discrimination towards those regarded as untouchables.
In 1956, he inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement as a way of liberating Dalits from the struggles of the caste system.
He earned international recognition as a liberator of humanity against social and economic injustices.
Dr. Ambedkar said, "I measure the progress of a community with the degree of progress women have achieved." A staunch supporter of the advancement of women's position in society.
In the 1940s, Dr. Ambedkar fought to pass the Hindu Code Bill, which would give equal rights to women in matters of marriage and inheritance. However, the bill met with strong opposition and was put off multiple times. Well, that's not all. Dr. Ambedkar was instrumental in developing a multi-purpose approach to water resources development. He is credited for launching development projects like the Bhakra Nangal Dam project, the Damodar Valley project, the Son River Valley project, and Hirakud Dam project.
Ever heard of RBI or the Reserve Bank of India? The bank that is responsible for printing the currency notes and managing the supply of money in the Indian economy. Did you know? Dr. Ambedkar played a key role in the conceptualization of the Reserve Bank of India in 1935.
Baba Saheb was a strong supporter of industrialization for the cause of India's socio-economic development. He figured that economic freedom of the people can be one step towards tearing down the deep-rooted caste system. He had remarked, "Industrialization of India is the soundest remedy for the agricultural problems of India."
Ambedkar believed that education was a movement in itself. He proposed an education system built on the synergy between academia, industry, and market to ensure creation of better human resources and more employability.
Today, the 14th of April 2021, marks the 130th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 14th April is celebrated as Ambedkar Jayanti or Bhim Jayanti every year in honor of this extraordinary man, not only in India, but around the world. It is a day to commemorate Baba Saheb, whose vision of modern India as a land of equal opportunities where social and economic justice prevail still resonates with us.
So today, let's celebrate Baba Saheb's legacy and let his memory live on.
Happy Ambedkar Jayanti.